My name is Stephen Gregg. I'm a member of the technical support team for Mitutoyo Canada, Customer Solutions Group. I wanted to show you our newest product in the line now is our QM bit. The idea is that it's been designed from bottom up to make measurement as quick and easy as possible, all right? So you've got a large window on the bottom, 115 millimeters by 75 millimeters. The lens is 36 millimeters focal range. Everything within a 36 millimeter height stays in focus at all time. Measuring a part is as easy as putting a slide on, running an existing program, goes through, measures all the features, very quick. You can take it off, you can put it back on, any orientation, it will pick it up every single time. Doesn't even have to be in this orientation. We can put it on an angle. You can run it again. The whole idea is that it's for an operator to be able to walk up, put a part on at any point, measure it, get quick measurements, get them out, keep the QA guys from having to stop what they're doing to measure somebody's hole for them, all right? Not having a program is very simple. Putting a brand new part on. Programming it is as easy as hitting an auto button. That auto button will go through and highlight every feature that it finds, every line, every circle. From there, I just select, I want this line, I want this line. And as I click features, it automatically starts adding in all the dimensions relative to the features that I've selected. Once I've got all the features I want, I can hit enter. That stores all the lines that I want. Now I can clean things up a little bit better. I can hit a circle, gives me the diameter. If I want to keep that diameter, I click on that, I can go back in. I can turn on a tolerance, put in the tolerance, give yourself a plus or minus, you end up getting a pass-fail situation. You can also then turn around. If I forgot to click a feature, I forgot to click a line here, right? I just highlight that area, goes through and finds a line. Says, okay, you want that line? Yes, I do. From that line, I want the angle between those two features. Done. But I don't want that. I want to supplement your error. Very, very quick. That's the whole idea. Now, beyond having just stage light, we also have on this unit a ring light. Ring light allows you to do surface measurements on features that you don't have. So, let's do new. So now with the ring light on, I can hit that same auto button. And now it's gonna take a little bit longer because of the amount of features that it's there. If I zoom in, you can see it automatically picks up all the features around that undercut or bore area that has not been a through hole. So I can still do the same things I want to do. I want to measure the width across that. Once you zoom back out, very, very quick. All right? So, as you're walking around, if you want to come and play with it, feel free. Come up, touch it. Enjoy it. No moving parts. You can't crash it. All right? All in one system. So, thank you very much.